Yes, Assalamu alaikum. Today is my topic is lipids. Lipid is defined as the organic substance relatively insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents, actually or potentially related to the fatty acids and utilized by the living cells is called lipids. Classification: the lipids are the classified into the following types: simple lipids, complex lipids, derived lipids, miscellaneous, and neutral lipids. Simple lipids are the esters of fatty acids with the glycerol and alcohol. On the basis of this point, they are divided into two categories, which are given. Classification: fatty acids are classified into two groups, which are given below: saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids is a type of fatty acid in which they do not contain double bonds are called saturated fatty acids. Unsaturated fatty acid: this is a type of fatty acids in which they contain one or more double bonds. These kind of fatty acids are called unsaturated fatty acids. Those fatty acids which contain one double bond are called monosaturated. Monounsaturated fatty acids and those contain two or more double bonds called polyunsaturated fatty acids. Physical properties of fats: the specific gravity of fats is generally lower than that of the water, such as below 1.0. Pure fats possesses no color, odor, or taste. These properties in fats is the result of foreign substances dissolved or mixed in the fats. Example: the yellow color of the butter is due to the presence of carotene and xanthophyll. The melting point of the fats depends upon the constituent of the fatty acids. Chemical properties: there are some chemical properties of the fats which are given below. Saponification: the hydrolysis of triglycerol by alkali to produce glycerol and soaps is known as saponification. Glycolipids. Glycolipids are important constituent of the cell membrane and neuron tissue. They occur as cell surface carbohydrates to form glycocalyx in the plasma membrane. Cerebrosides: these are the simplest form of glycolipids. These contain the ceramide and one or more sugar galactocerebroside and the glucocerebroside are the most important glycolipid. It contains the fatty acid cerebronic acid. This is blur. Daily requirements: infants 10 microgram, children 10, or adults be 7. Vitamin K, if there is a vitamin K deficiency, vitamin K is also इसकी importance ये है कि also required for the carboxylation of glutamic acid residues of the osteocalcin and the matrix protein in the bone and the nephrocalcin in the kidney. Vitamin K plays important role in the oxidative phosphorylation in the mitochondria. Deficiency of the vitamin K is caused by the prolonged antibiotic use that kills bacterial flora of the gut. There are different deficiency symptoms of vitamin K is given below. Defective blood clotting. Clotting time is increased. Hypoprothrombinemia, tendency to bleed profusely from the minor wounds, GIT tract, etc. टॉक्सिसिटी, इसकी टॉक्सिटी है जो हीमोलाइटिक एनीमिया और लीवर डैमेज हो सकता है इसकी स्टार्टिंग ये चीज़। अच्छा, ये डिजीज़ है सियानोकोबालामाइन, विटामिन B12 को कहते हैं। इट इज़ आल्सो नोन एज एंटी परनिशियस एनीमिया। और सोर्सेज इसके एनिमल सोर्सेज हैं। दिस विटामिन सिंथेसाइज ओनली इन एनिमल्स: लीवर, मिल्क, फिश, किडनी, एग। Liver, kidney, milk, egg, fish, intestinal flora. Plants cannot synthesize this vitamin. Requirement is in infant 15 microgram, children 3 milligrams, or adults में 3 milligram. Biochemical function as methylcobalamin and 5-deoxycobalamin takes part in the transmethylation reaction, synthesis of nucleic acid, conversion of RNA to DNA, conversion of melanocyte to succinyl CoA, conversion of folic acid to tetrahydrofolic acid. डेफिशिएंसी इसमें गैलोब्लास्टिक एनीमिया, पर्निशियस एनीमिया, मेथाइल मेलानिक एसिडुरिया और पेरिफेरल न्यूरोपैथी। देन बायोटिन, विटामिन एच,